Okay, this is the continuation from 9.8a. So this is the B part. And then now I'm going to show you guys, continuing from what we did earlier. We're going to draw two special right triangles and then label all three sides. This is nothing different from what we have learned before. It's just a little bit of extension on what's going to be happening later. Okay, so let's get started with what we just did from 9.8a. So sine 285 degrees. So you know that the first one is always going to be 45 degrees. Okay, so the ratio is going to be positive 1, and radical 2. Okay, and then now the, the second um, the second angle is going to be 240. So that's going to be in quadrant 3 with a reference angle of 60 degrees. Okay, so this is in quadrant 3, so everything is going to be negative except the hypotenuse. So it's going to be -1, negative radical 3, hypotenuse is going to be 2. That's number 1. Okay, next one, example 2. So 45 degrees is there, and then 210, it's going to be in quadrant 3. Okay, with the reference angle of 30 degrees. So in quadrant 3, everything is going to be negative as well. So -1, negative radical 3, and positive 2 for hypotenuse. Okay, next one, 120. So it's going to be in quadrant 2 with the reference angle 60 degrees. Okay, so adjacent is going to be a -1, and then opposite is going to be radical 3, positive, and then the hypotenuse is going to be 2. Tangent 105, so 60 degrees, so that's going to be in first quadrant, 60 degrees. Okay, everything is going to be positive, so it's going to be 1, radical 3, positive 2. 75 degrees, so the second angle is 30, so it's going to be in quadrant 1, so 30 degrees. So opposite is 1, adjacent is radical 3, hypotenuse is 2. Last one, this is the same thing as example number 1, so it's going to be a 60 degree in quadrant 3, and then ratio is going to be negative radical 3 for opposite, adjacent is going to be -1, and hypotenuse is going to be 2. Okay, that's it for 9.8b, and that's it. Peace out. It's not that hard, right?